how can no one mention you on TikTok, or how to not let everyone mention you on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, open it. Then when your TikTok is opening, as you see, you will just go here to your profile, open your profile, then go to this three line, click, then go to settings and privacy, click again, and then go to privacy and go mention and tags, click, then go to mention, click, and change it to no one. And like this, no one can mention you right now on TikTok. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next